Avery Stretchable Fabric Transfers are a fun way to customize light-colored t-shirts and other items. These iron-on transfers are designed for white or light-colored synthetic or synthetic blend fabrics. When used properly, they are guaranteed to be fade-resistant for up to 20 washes. Let's walk through how to design, print, and trim stretchable fabric transfers. When getting ready to design your fabric transfer, please reference the Avery product number on the front of your package in order to ensure that the transfer prints properly. Start designing with Avery Design and Print software at avery.com/templates using your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Type in the Avery product number and click Start Designing. There are pre-designed templates that you can customize with your own text and images, or you can choose a blank template to upload your own design or to create a design from scratch. There are options on the left for adding or changing design elements in your project, such as text and images. Please note that any white areas in your design will be clear when you apply the transfer. When you're happy with your design, click Preview and Print. When you choose Get PDF to print, you can save your design to a free Avery account so you can come back to it later. Next, you'll see important printing instructions for your browser. Be sure to follow them carefully for the best print results. When the PDF is created, our Avery Design and Print software will automatically flip your design for printing Avery Stretchable Fabric Transfers. Print using an inkjet printer. Avery Stretchable Fabric Transfers are applied face down to your fabric, so a mirror image is needed. Trim around your design using scissors, a hobby knife, or a die cutting machine. Now you're ready to apply your design. Watch our ironing and care instructions video to see how. Follow the ironing instructions carefully for the best results. If you have additional questions, visit avery.com/help to check out more videos and see other information about fabric transfers or to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.